Very good morning, my friends. First of all, I welcome you all in my channel, Sakshatkar. And in continuation of the video which I have already made in mathematics for 10th standard students, I know that they have already received their date sheets and all of them have become serious now. They all are preparing for their examinations. And by keeping in view the forthcoming examination of 10th standard and 12th standard, I am bringing some of the videos which will be helping them in scoring high marks and also making them to revise in a shortest possible time with complete understanding. With complete understanding is the main word which we need to keep it in mind. 10th standard students simply they are not studying for passing the examination now. This we need to understand. All 10th standard students, we are simply not studying to pass the examination. We are going to step up into a new career. Based on your interest in 10th standards, you will be deciding that which field you are going to take in your 11th and 12th standard for your career. So it's a very important phase in life where we decide that which stream we will take, whether we will take science stream, pure science, or whether we will be taking maths and science, or we will be taking commerce, we will be taking arts and science. So we need to decide, and that decision comes on the basis of the performance in 10th standard examination. And performance doesn't comes automatically. There is no miracle by which performance comes. Of course, you can say that a person who is scoring high marks in maths and science, he or she may not be interested in taking maths and science for further career. That may be possible. But out of 100, if we will be going for a survey, almost 90% of the students you will find that their choosing of a career after 10th standard depends on how much interest they have taken in their subjects in their 10th standards. 9th standard, 10th standard, and most of the students, those who are performing well in the stream, like in mathematics, in physics, in chemistry, in biology, they decide their course. Computer science, of course, computer science is also one of the subjects, so that comes along with mathematics only. Okay, so they decide on the basis of their interest. So the interest which they have taken in 10th standard, it's not going in vain in any way. Gentlemen, it's not going in vain in any way. Right? Kindly pay attention and perform your best. I am going to tell you that by the end of the examination, the learning which will come to you from core of your heart will decide your career further in 11th standard and in 12th standard and furthermore. So let's come to this pair of linear equations in two variables, which I have already brought two videos on exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2. We discussed earlier in first video which I brought in exercise 3.2. Okay, so the first video which I have taken, the first exercise, that is exercise 3.2. And in exercise 3.2 we already discussed about substitution method. Substitution method of solving linear equations in two variables. Then I prepared video and I took exercise 3.1 in which behavior of lines. What we discussed? Behavior of lines in the sense that two lines are given. Two lines are given to us, and what we do, we from the ratio of their coefficients A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, we found that how to find if the lines are intersecting. Second, the lines are coincident. And third, the lines are parallel. Okay. So if the lines are intersecting, it will have definite solution, and this particular solution is called consistent solutions. Whereas in case of coincident, there will be many solutions, and in case of parallel lines there will be no solution. So these two lines are called inconsistent. So consistent and inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. So in this way, we discussed in 3.1 and 3.2, and today we are going to discuss 3.3, where we will be discussing elimination method of solution of two given equations in two variables. Why we say two variables? Because only x and y variable is there. Let us see in this video that how to solve those elimination method, means the equations in elimination method. Let us name the two given equation as 1 and 2, and we will be solving these two equations by elimination method. So in elimination method, what we do? Procedure to solve by elimination method. Procedure to solve by elimination method. In this, there is a requirement to have. So first take LCM of what? Of any two coefficients of same variable. LCM of A1 and A2 or B1 and B2. After getting an LCM of like C1, not C1 here, we will put it as D1, and for B1 and B2, D2. So any one LCM, take any one LCM D1 or D2 for making the coefficients of the variable same in both equation, right? Third step, perform the process of addition or subtraction, right? Perform the operation of addition or subtraction based on requirement for cancelling the variable in both equations. Okay, then procedure 4. Once a variable is completely cancelled, like suppose B1 and B2y is completely cancelled by making B1 and B2 same to same, in that case, then further solve for the variable solve for the variable remaining in the equation. The moment you have cancelled one variable y in both the equations by making their coefficients same to same, and after going for subtraction or addition, depends. Okay, we have to see that one will be positive and another one we have to make negative. In case another one is positive, we will go for subtraction. If one is already given in positive sign, another one is already given negative sign. Okay, suppose this is already given plus sign, this is already given negative sign, then we need to simply add. We need to simply add. Okay, so that's why I am telling that either positive plus or minus, and then we have to solve for x simply by adding or subtracting, because whatever adding and subtracting will be going on, that will be applicable for all the given terms, all the given terms in the equation. Okay, and then further substitute the value of either x or y, whichever you have determined, to find value of another variable. So whenever we are using this elimination method, we use simultaneously elimination and substitution method also. Okay, the question will be, sir, for finding out the another variable, can we use again elimination method? Yes, you can use. Very well, we can use it. So that's not the problem. So, but it will become a bigger process. Again, LCM we have to take for another variable, and we have to make the coefficient same to same. Then we have to go for addition or subtraction. Whereas, once we have gone for elimination method for finding out one variable, then that value can be kept in another in any one of the equation, and we can find the value of another variable just by simply substituting. Okay, so this is the method which we are going to utilize in the questions, given questions. Now more clarity will come when we will solve the questions given here. Okay, more clarity will come. And here the given question is, solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. So if you want to be more conversant in substitution method, अगर आप substitution method को अच्छा से समझना चाहते हो, तो मेरे previous वीडियो को जरूर देखना जो exercise 3.2 में के लिए है. ठीक है? So you must see that video. For the students who have come to this video first, to them also I am not going to disappoint, because here question itself is asking us to solve using two methods. So we will solve using two methods. At least two questions I will solve by using two methods, and then elimination method will pay attention here. Okay, given question is x plus y is equal to 5. This is first equation, and second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is second equation. Now you see that in first equation the coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of x is 2. Sorry, coefficient of x in given first equation, x is 2 in second equation, and 1 in first equation. Now there is a difference. Coefficients are different. Okay. So similarly, coefficient of y in first equation is 1 and coefficient of y in second equation is minus 3. Okay. So now we have to see that how we are making the coefficient equal. So suppose I want the coefficient of y to be, suppose the variable y is to be eliminated. because we are going for elimination method. Suppose we want that variable y will be eliminated. Why I have taken as y? Because here already negative sign is there. Here already negative sign is there. So if we will make the coefficient itself same to same, means suppose if I am multiplying the equation 1 with 3, automatically the coefficient of y also will become 3 only in equation 1, and then plus 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled when we will add them together, right? So it will get eliminated. So what I will do, because LCM of 3 and 1 is 3 only, LCM of 2 and 1 is 2 only. So from equation 1, after multiplying with 3, in second equation we will not do anything. Okay. So it will become 3x plus 3y is equal to 5 into 3, 15. The operation of multiplication has to be performed in both sides, LHS also, RHS also. And then equation 2 will be 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now in this case, simply I have to add. Why? Because 3y and minus 3y both can get cancelled. So in this case, 3 plus 2x, 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 15 plus 4, 19. Right? Okay. Now in this case, we have found that x is equal to 19 by 5. True? Yes, 19 by 5. Okay. Now we can substitute the value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. So x value we have already got. So we got 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5, and this will be given to us as y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. This will be giving y is equal to, so 5 into 5, 25 minus 19 by 5, and it is 6 by 5. Okay, 6 by 5. So now the answer, we have got x equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. This is the solution of the equation. X equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. Can we check it? Let us go for checking it in equation 2, that whether our answer is correct or not. Okay. So if we will substitute 2x, so 2 into 19 by 5 minus 3 into 6 by 5, whether we will be getting 4 or not, that we have to see. So we will see 19 2s are 38 by 5 minus 6 3s are 18 by 5, and this is 38 minus 18 is giving us 20 by 5, and 5 4s are 20. So this 4 RHS is same. It means the solution which we have got is correct. Solution which we have got is correct. Okay. Now I will go for erasing it completely. So this time we cancelled the coefficient of y. Now I am going to cancel the coefficient of x. Okay, so anyone you can take. So we are given x plus y is equal to 5 equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, and we are going to solve the coefficient of x now. So in that case, I have to multiply equation 1 with 2. So new equations, what will be generated? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and second equation will be as it is, equal to 4. Now we see that both coefficient of x in both equations are positive. It means I have to go for subtraction. If we are going for subtraction, the second equation from 1, it means the second equation will change its sign. It means now the new sign of 2x will be minus, new sign of y will be plus, new sign of 4 will be minus. Now by taking into consideration the new sign, the first one is positive, the second one is negative, so this will get cancelled. 2x minus 2x will be 0. In second one, 2y plus 3y will become 5y, and here it will become 10 minus 4, that is 6. And this will be given to us as equal to y is equal to 6 by 5. It is one of the solution for y. Now if we are substituting this value in equation 1, then we have got x plus y is equal to 5, then x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. This will be giving us as x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5, and further x equal to 25 minus 6 by 5 is equal to 19 by 5. So x equal to 19 by 5. So now you see that in both ways, both elimination method we have used, and we have found the same to same solution. So these solutions are distinct solution, definite solution. Only one. These two lines are intersecting lines. It is having only one solution. Okay? Fine. Now, this was elimination method. Substitution method, first one. So we will go for substitution method. Substitution method. Okay. So if x plus y is equal to 5, so from here we can see that we can write as x equal to 5 minus y. Now we are going to substitute x equal to 5 minus y in second equation. In second equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So 5 minus y minus 3y is equal to 4. This will be given to us as 10, 5 into 2, 10, minus 2y, minus 3y is equal to 4. Further, this will be okay, 5 minus y, so 10 minus 2y, right, minus 3y, fine. So now what we will be doing, we can write it as minus 5y is equal to 4 minus 10. This will be giving to us as minus 5y is equal to minus 6. Minus minus will get cancelled, and we will be getting y is equal to 6. So this is called substitution method. Sorry, 6 by 5. So we have got the same value, right? Now we will substitute y is equal to 6 by 5. Even if you want in second equation you want to substitute, you can substitute, no problem. Let me substitute and show it to you. So second equation is 2x minus 3 into 6 by 5, right, is equal to 4. Thank you. 2x minus 18 by 5 is equal to 4. Then further 2x is equal to 4 plus 18 by 5, right? And this will be 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 18 by 5 is 38 by 5. Then further x is equal to 38 by 5 into 2. So 2 will cancel it as 19. So x equal to 19 by 5. Now we have got the solution as x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. These are two solutions we have got. In elimination method also we got the same solution. In substitution method also we got the same solution. So you can solve the equations in any method, any one of the method. But of course, if it is question is asking you especially that you solve it by elimination method, you solve it by substitution method, in that case you have to solve by that method. Mostly in the examination it will be coming as solve the following pair of linear equations. Okay, right. I hope all of you have understood now what is substitution method, what is elimination method. Okay, I will solve question number 4 because most of us are getting afraid of by seeing fractions or by seeing decimal. Okay, so in this case what we will do? X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation, and second equation is x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. This is second equation. Nothing we have to do. We have to take LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6, right? So this will become 6, and here will be 3x plus 2 into 2 4y and is equal to minus 1. This will be given to us as 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Now this equation we will take as third one, and here again we will take LCM of 3 and 1, so 3 only. So 3x minus y is equal to 3, and this will be given to us as 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is 4 equation. So now we will solve equation 3 and 4. We will be solving equation 3 and 4. Okay. So you see, if equation 3 I am taking 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9, that is fourth equation. What I have to do? Already the coefficients of x are same to same. I did not to go for multiplication and division. Just simply I have to go for subtraction. Why? Because both 3x are in positive sign. So I will go for subtraction operation. So it will change its sign as minus, it will change its sign as plus, and it will change, 9 will change its sign as minus. So 3x minus 3x cancelled, 4y plus y, that is 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. This will be cancelling, y is equal to minus 15 by 5 and 5 3s are. So y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Now we will substitute in any one of the equation, like in equation 3, we will substitute y is equal to minus 3 and we will find out 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6, and this will be given to us as 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. Further, 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12, and we will get 3x is equal to plus 6, right? Okay, 3 will cancel 6 as 2, so x equal to 2. So we have got the answer, y is equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2. This is the solution. Now we will substitute and we will see that whether answer is correct or not, right? We will substitute. Like in first equation, this itself we will substitute. So 2 by 2, here in this 2 by 2 is giving us as 1 plus 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 divided by 3. So we will cancel 3, 2 just 6. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. It means our answer is correct. Okay, you understood? elimination method. Similarly, we can go for substitution method also from anyone. Okay, substitution method from here, what you can do, y is equal to 3x minus 9. The same we can substitute in first equation and we can get the answer. Okay, so I hope that you will be able to do it. So I am leaving it on you. In case you are not able to solve the question, then kindly put it in comment. Certainly I will solve for you. Okay. Then again, need not to be afraid. This type of equation, so we will write equation as 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Minus 4 we will be bringing it to right hand side. Similarly, this one 9x minus 2y is equal to 7, and further process which we can go for it. How? Suppose if you want to make 3x as 9x, you have to multiply with 3, right? Okay, and then you can go for subtraction operation. But in case you want to make the coefficient of y equal, so one is having 5 and one is having 2, it means the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So in that case you have to multiply both equations. Okay, let me tell you third one. So the first equation can be written as 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Second equation, so second equation can be written as 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now there are two ways. Either we can go for cancelling of x. In that case, in first equation, I have to multiply with 3. Then automatically it will become 9x. Okay, and we can solve. This is one. Another one, in case I want to make the coefficient same to same for y, in that case I have to take LCM of 5 and 2, and which is 10. Now I have to make the coefficient of y as 10 in both the equation. In that case, I have to multiply the first equation with 2. So that 5 into 2 will give 10, and second equation I will multiply with 5, so that again y coefficient will become 10. And then further we can go for solving it, like we will do it. 3 into 2, 6x, minus 5 to the 10, y is equal to 4 to the 8. Okay, 9 5 ja 45x. Okay, 45 minus 10y is equal to 7 5 ja 35. Now in this case we have to go for subtraction, because we have to change the sign. One of its will be changing the sign, so it will become plus and here it will become minus. So here 6 minus 45, so 39x. Okay, then these two have got cancelled, is equal to minus 35 and plus 8. So it is minus 27. Here also minus. Minus 39x is equal to minus 27. Okay, right. So this minus minus will get cancelled and x is equal to 27 by 39, which can be cancelled with 3. So 3 9s are 27 and 3 13s are will be 39. So x will be equal to 9 by 13. Okay, right. So either by substitution we can go for it or by elimination. We will go for elimination, no problem. So we will multiply equation 1 with 3 here. So what we will be getting? 9x minus 5 3 are 15y and 4 3 are 12. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 7, because in second equation we are not doing anything. Again we can go for subtraction. It will become plus, it will become minus. So these two have got cancelled. Minus 15 plus 2 minus 13y, okay, is equal to 12 minus 7, that is 5, right? Okay, this will give us as y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, so y is equal to minus 5 by 13 and x is equal to 9 by 13. Right? Okay. Now, if we will be substituting, let us see that whether really we are getting or not. So, LHS of second equation. LHS of second equation I am taking, that is 9x minus 2y. So, 9 into 9 by 13 minus 2 into 5 by 13. Okay, so 2 into 5, this will become minus and minus plus by 13. Okay, so it is becoming 81 by 13 plus 10 by 13, and this will be, that is 91 by 13, which will be getting cancelled as 7. So we got 7 here in RHS also. So it means our answers are correct. We can go for checking it also fast. Alright, so I hope everybody has understood, and question number 2 will become as homework for you. Come to question number 2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. So we have to form the pair and then find the solution. Okay, with the given conditions. Here it is given, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So what we'll do, suppose the fraction is x by y. Okay, so if we add 1 to the numerator, means x plus 1, and subtract 1 from the denominator, means y minus 1, the fraction reduces to 1. Now from here we will be forming an equation, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1 after multiplication, cross multiplication, and we will be getting as x minus y is equal to minus 1, and this plus 1 will go that side, so it will become minus 2. So this is one equation. Second equation, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So x will be as it is and y plus 1 will become 1 by 2. From here again equation will be formed, that is 2x is equal to y plus 1, and this will be 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now this will be equation 2. Equation 2. So we have to solve also. We have formed the equation, and now we have to find their solution by elimination method also. So here we can see that y and y is having its coefficient as 1 only. So we will not go further. We will simply x minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 1, and then we will go for subtraction. So minus plus minus. So this will get cancelled. X minus 2x will give as minus x, and minus 2 minus 1 will give as minus 3. Okay, so negative sign will get cancelled and we will get x equal to 3. Substituting in any one equation, we will get y value. So let us substitute here. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Further it is giving us as minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Further minus y is equal to minus 5, cancelling, and y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Right. Check the same in any one of the equation. Like here, from here, x equal to 3 by y is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. It will be cancelling 1 by 2. So we have got the value. It means the answer is correct. Okay. Now I am going to form only equation. You all have to solve. Now you all are very much conversant. My students are very much conversant in solving the equation. I will go for only forming the equation. So second, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay? Nuri and Sonu here. So suppose the variables are, N and S. N and S. N for Nuri and S for Sonu. So 5 years ago, so suppose their present age is N for Nuri and S for Sonu. So it is given that 5 years ago, it means whatever the present age of Nuri is there, N minus 5, okay, and thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice, so 3 times. Sonu's present age is so and so, so that also will get subtracted with 5, right? So it means N minus 5 is equal to 3s minus 15, and the equation formed will be N minus 3s is equal to minus 15 plus 5, that is minus 10. So this is one equation to be solved. Second equation, 10 years later, it means N plus 10 is equal to Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu, so S plus 10. Now further, N plus 10 is equal to 2S plus 20, and this will be giving to us as N minus 2S is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. This is the second equation. Now you have to solve. Simply you have to eliminate N and N. You will get Sonu's age. By substituting, you will get Nuri's age. Okay? You will be able to do it. I know. Fine. We will go for forming equations for 3. So what it is saying, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So suppose 2-digit number is xy. Xy is the 2-digit number. Okay. So sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. So it is giving us as x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Okay, let us do it in a nice manner. So I am erasing it here. Now the question is the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. Okay. So we will be writing here like, let the two-digit number is x and y. Okay. So as per the first condition, x plus y is equal to 9. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number. So it is just the sum of the digits. It's not its position. Okay. Otherwise xy will be written as 10x plus y because x is in tens place. Okay. So sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. 9 times this number. Okay. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained. 9 times this number, when we say this number, in that case actually the number is xy. Xy is what? It is 10x plus y. Okay, because x is in tens place. So 9 times this number. So 9 into xy we should not write. Keep it in mind, 9 into xy. Our students will be committing the same mistake by writing 9xy. No. Wrong. We have to write as 9 times of 10x plus y is equal to 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So now reversing the order means yx. In that case it will become 10y plus x. So it is twice the number obtained, 2 times of 10y plus x. And further it has to be converted into complete equation. So 9 into 10x, 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. Okay, and this will be giving to us as 90 minus 2x, 88x. Okay, and minus 9 minus 20y, 11y is equal to 0. Divide it by 11 both sides. We can have 8x minus y is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. This is the first equation. Okay, x plus y is equal to 9 and 8x minus y is equal to 0. Now elimination method, x plus y is equal to 9, 8x minus y is equal to 0. We will go for addition. So this plus y minus y will get cancelled. 8x plus x is 9x is equal to 9 and this is x equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Now y, if we are substituting the value of x equal to 1 in first one, so we will getting y is equal to 9 minus 1, that is y is equal to 8. Okay, so x equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. X equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. Now you see that the number is 1 and 8, 18. Okay, number given is 18, and if you add the digits, two-digit number 1 and 8, you will get 9. Second condition is if 9 times this number means 9 into 18. So what it is? So 9 8 is 72, 7 and 9 1 ja 9, 162. Okay, is twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. So 2 into 81 also 162. So second condition is also satisfied. So 18 is the correct answer. Okay, so we have solved the complete question itself. We'll go for next slide. Fourth one. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. So suppose let X be the number of, or X and Y, right? X and Y be the number of rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes respectively. What is the meaning of respectively? Means X relates to rupees 50, Y relates to rupees 100, like this, compulsory. That is called respectively. So Meena got 25 notes in all, means X plus Y is equal to 25. And find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 she received, means X and Y we have to find. And she went to withdraw rupees 2000. It means rupees 50 into X plus rupees 100 into Y is equal to 2000. Right? This is first equation. This is second equation. Second equation we can simplify in a more better manner. How? We see that if we go for dividing by 50 second equation, we can divide all the parts, all the terms. Okay, so divided by 50, multiplication with 1 by 50 will give us as X plus 2Y is equal to 40. Okay, this will be the second equation. Now we can go for elimination. X plus Y is equal to 25 and X plus 2Y is equal to 40. Go for elimination. Cancel it. Plus Y minus 2Y minus Y. 25 minus 40 minus 15. So Y is equal to 15. From first equation, X plus Y is equal to 25. If X plus 15, 25, this is giving to us as X equal to 10. So how many notes of 50? 10 notes. 10 notes of rupees 50. 15 notes of rupees 100. C got. Okay, next one. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge of each day thereafter. So for first 3 days, the charge will be fixed. Means fine amount. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. For each extra day. So, in this, let rupees X for as fixed, X for fixed charge. Fixed charge for 3 days. Okay. Let rupees Y for additional charge. Additional charge each extra day. Right? Now, for Sarita. So, Sarita paid rupees 27 as total for a book kept for 7 days. For a book kept for 7 days. So, for 3 days it will be fixed, that is rupees X. Plus, now 7 minus 3 is 4. So, 4 days, 4 into Y will become 27. This is for Sarita. Then for Susi, again Susi kept book for 5 days. It means X will be for 3 days plus 2 days extra 2Y is equal to 21. Now we have to solve it. So X plus 4Y is equal to 27. X plus 2Y is equal to 21. We are going for elimination method by subtracting, and this has got cancelled. 4y minus 2y is 2y is equal to 27 minus 21 is 6. Okay, by cancelling it, so y is equal to 3 each extra day. Rupees 3 each extra day. Okay, that will come. Now, from any one equation, first equation, I am finding x. So, x is equal to 27 minus 4y. X is equal to further 27 minus 4 into 3, 12. And this will be x is equal to 27 minus 12 is 15. So, fixed charge is rupees 15. Y is rupees 3 for each day. Okay, 3 for each day. So this we have solved in this way using elimination method. Right? So I hope all my students have completed this chapter, pair of linear equations in 2 variables, completely. I have brought the video on each exercise, and kindly have a glance, and you may, if you have really liked the video, please share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel as at the earliest, so that you need not to search for any